Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 1995 Bobcat 7753. This would be the same as the 773. They just had a black boom on them. These come out, I think in 1992, or built up to like 96. It's a 95 model machine, and then the 773 took over. This machine come out of a tree nursery. I've had some stuff that come from the guy. Stuff has always been well maintained. It always has hours on it. This machine, it shows 8,100 hours on a Boss system. There's no way it's right. It's way too tight for that. There's no gap in any of the pins, bushings, even in your main frame here. I mean, very tight machine. We have put 4 brand new tires on it. The headlight switch was bad. We've done a full service. We did touch up these back pillars and put the 2 new decals on. In the bottom gray we painted, but we've done a full service. Engine oil, fuel filters, hydraulic, air, the whole 9 yards. We check chain case. When clear through this machine is a good running working machine, and I have this machine priced. There's nothing out there in the market like this for this kind of money. 46 horsepower, 1,750 pound of lift. Come on here to the back. We're going to take you around and show you all about it. Again, 7753. There's a dent up here in the top of the door. We painted the back door. These 2 light lenses were both cracked. We put 2 brand new ones in. All the lights do work. Does have door weight kit right here. Kubota V2203 4-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is not any abnormal smoke noise, blow by, anything like that. Blow by breathers right there. I'm going to walk up here and start it so you can see that. Very, very good and dry there. Engine itself is dry. We've done engine oil again, fuel, both air filters, hydraulic. Been through it. Can't find anything wrong with this machine. Hydraulic cooler radiators up here. There is no welding or plating on the boom that we have found. This door latch was bad, and I put a brand new door latch in. Underneath the cab, there was about 4 or 5 hoses that were rubbed. We replaced. There was some residual oil laying down in there after we washed it, but that's all dried up now. And I want everybody to see this. Around the pin bosses, machines that have not been greased or taken care of, there is a freaking 1/4 inch of gap in the pins. This has nothing like that. Cylinders are all dry. Bob Tatch works excellent. There was a couple weld repairs at one time on the quick tatch. And up here at the tilt tower, I'm not going to lie to anybody. But the rest of the boom is excellent. Seat is like brand new. Parking brake works. Headlights work. Grab handles on the cage have a couple dings and dents. Auxiliary hydraulics. 66-inch factory Bobcat brand bucket is a tooth bucket, and I just put them on this morning. All brand new teeth. ITR 156 series teeth. Does have the front axle weights on it. Fuel gauge works. We can get that to focus. Thing is not rusted out or anything like that. I mean, it was a good, well taken care of machine. It's not brand new, but it's very good, well taken care of machine. Everything works. We're going to fire it up, run it around here, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. guys, I hope you can see there from our video. Machine starts, runs, and works excellent. Handles very good. Not a brand new skid loader, but again, that's what it shows on the hours. I don't for 1 minute actually believe it. I'd say it's more of a 3,500 to 4,000 hour machine. That's what it shows. Again, everything works good. It's had a full service, and for you guys that don't believe us, don't even waste your time looking at our stuff. We get through this stuff. I know what it is. There's 4 new tires on it, a good bucket. It's had a full service. Again, it's not a brand new machine, but what the heck do you buy in this price range today under the $10,000 mark? If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, on eBay, and also check us out on Facebook. So if you have any questions, again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.